Ladies and gentlemen, to Kigali International Airport,
The world is finally meeting again. As the official carrier and anchor partner for the Commonwealth Business Forum, the Rwanda Air team looks forward to having you on board. Rwanda will be hosting one of the largest gatherings of governments and business leaders. During the pandemic, the airline industry was disrupted our network by reconnecting people and businesses. As the official carrier for the Commonwealth Business Forum, we have increased our flight frequencies and introduced special discounts to cater for the demand that the forum is bringing to our country. Together, we will shape a common future for the Commonwealth.
Vestige marketing. Jadi Rabia assalamualaikum. Dari kemenada ARUNA. Program Voyage wel Ghana. Yago Lara Hero Vestige dalam melihat di tabidi. Jotani molon tahun minonder avion merana di nivo Ghana to alla muyer di tondari do. Kamay don getta mon profna mon ngira wa kay di Vestige c'est di lu.
See you on board as we continue to connect Africa to the world.